Hey everybody, I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be putting together my Keychron computer. And yes, this is a Keychron computer. Computer? Keychron keyboard. My keyboard. I got a new keyboard, guys. Sorry for the confusion. I'm not putting together a computer. I'm not that rich. Yes, this is a Keychron, but I got a new one. Woohoo! So, first and foremost, let's unbox. I need to grab some scissors. Hold on. Anyway, let's open this baby up. Ooh. Oh. Okie dokie. It is opened. Okie dokie, artichokes. So, let's look at this. I got the Keychron V6 Max. I will show this to you. There we go. It's a the full size wireless mechanical keyboard with the linear red switch, and they're the Keychron K Pro silent switch. And why is Steam opening up? I thought I closed you. Anyway, so I got this one, and yeah, I'm really excited. It's got a knob, and it's got a volume stuff, volume and more buttons. So yeah, an open source customizable keyboard for peak productivity too. So I don't know. I'm ruining the box. That's kind of sad, actually. Oh, no, I'm not. Yes, I am. That's okay. Woo! Let's open this baby up. Shout out to all my Hippio Tech fans. If you're even following me or watching, I got the new keyboard. I hope you're proud of me. I wonder if Hippio Tech will see this video. That'd be kind of cool if he did. But, yeah, I'll share it there and see if he does, or if anyone really does. Anyway, so it's kind of damaged, which is kind of sad, but that's okay. That's okay. It still works, probably. How do I open this? Why? There we go. Oh. Oh no. Don't. Okay. So, let's look at these. This is the amenities it has. First off, it's a full-size keyboard. It's dual compatibility, so it works with Mac OS and Windows. It's got a web configuration, meaning that it can unlock features or customization. 1000 hertz polling rate. I don't know what that means. Screw-in stabilizers, which means the keys will just be stable. I don't know. Somebody help. Light effects, and then also sound absorbing foam. Ooh, it's got. Oh, I wonder if it's going to sound fucky. Man, I would love that. Let's just open it already. Anyway. I wonder if it will be the Thox of Thox. Oh, it smells like new keyboard. Well, it just smells like any new package. But you know what I mean. Ooh, look at this. User manual. So make sure the switch pins are straight before inserting switch. So this is hot swappable, meaning that you can change the switches. And so if you do, make sure they're straight, as you can see, as said like right here. So yeah. Here's the user manual. And then here's a quick start guide. So right here, it can connect 2.0 gigahertz receiver port. There's a toggle between the 2.4 gigahertz and everything else. There's a cable type C for extension and also an extension adapter. And then there's also a receiver. It can connect to Bluetooth. Just toggle on this Bluetooth and press FN+1 for 4 seconds to pair with a device named V6 Max. For best wireless experience, we recommend using the extension adapter for receiver. Okay, noted. Oh my goodness gracious, it's so pretty. Ooh, look at all this stuff. So it comes with the screw for the stabilizers and such, as you can see. It comes with the adapter thingy and also the cable. Depending on where the cable is located on this thing, I'll probably honestly use the oh wait, what's that? I don't know what that is. Here are the Windows keys and everything, the extra keys, but I got my own keycap, so yeah. Anyway, let's pull this baby out. Oh, look at how pretty it is. I'm gonna just test it real quick. Put the mic down next to me. Oh, it's really silent actually. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's actually kind of nice. Kind of like it actually. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear any of that, but it's got a knob. That's so much fun. Hipio loves knobs for some reason. Look at that. Just knob away. Ooh, and then look, it's got the... Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna read that thing it said because I'm confused now. Okay, so... Wait, where's the thing located on here? Oh, it's located on this side. That's so beautiful. Okay. Well, I think I'm just gonna have to go with using a cable because I don't understand this. I don't know. Also, then I don't have to worry about like, you know, turning it on and off, making sure it doesn't die and everything, which would be nice. So yeah. Anyway, I got new keycaps, so let's grab those. Oh bam! God, this thing is heavy. To whoever recommended this to me, it's heavy. Also, yes, I am very much opening this on the bottom because I don't want you guys to see my real name. Sorry, I don't trust you guys yet. There we go. Oh, let's, I probably need to clear off my desk a little bit. But I will need the switch puller. Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I will need this. God, that scared me. Okay, so I got the XXX keycap set. Sorry, English is not Englishing today. Anyway, let's open these babies up. Ooh, they look so sleek. Oh no, is that not the full size? Oh no, it is. Okay, put that into my bed. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Alright, so here's the first set. It comes with like the main keyboard and everything. And then here's like the extras and everything. I don't want to move it because it's gonna fall out if I do, so yeah. Anyway. Let's open this up. I'm being so gentle with this. I don't need to be. Oh, yes, I do. I saw on a recent video of Hippio Tech where he literally was just showing his his favorite creator, like artist creator, how to like just literally pull them out, and I was just like, I don't understand how you can do that without breaking the switch. Like, maybe I'm just a newbie at this and I don't know any better, but how did it not break the switch is my question, and I'm like scared to try that. Oh no. Oh, that scared me. Thought I was breaking it for a second. Oh, there are 3 different Bluetooth connections. There's also a Wi-Fi connection? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. I love how gentle I'm being. It's like taking me forever now. Anyway, sorry, I didn't realize you guys couldn't see all of that. I'm like mildly scared to use this on bigger ones because what if it breaks? Yeah, this is fun. Oh, it's stuck. them off in two, I think. Dude, they put command on here instead. That's kind of sad. Instead of control. Ooh, this has foam in it. That's kind of interesting. Look at that. It's kind of nice because it has these buttons over here too, the top ones that I can just make them whatever I want. That will be fun to do. Uh-oh. I just took the switch out. I didn't realize that was so easy to pull out. I hope it still works. Oh my goodness gracious. Are my switches supposed to be pulled out this easy? Okay. Alrighty, got them all out. I'm like nervous about these two because they all came out. Okay, got them out. Let's put these on now. like that noise. So my Fitbit is saying I'm getting exercise. That's kind of funny. Look at this. This is gonna look so sleek. I know it's all black and that's kind of boring, but I'm kind of a big fan of black stuff, so I like it. Gordy. That sounds really nice, honestly. I thought I really liked Thaki noises, but I actually kind of like this noise a lot better. And it's got foam in it already, which is kind of crazy. Like I don't know if most keyboards come with foam in it already. So I'm not sure though. This is so exciting. I know I should have saved the like sound reveal for like the end, but I'm just too excited. Hold on, it goes X. Yeah, okay, good. I don't know how to get this in. Okay, I think I got it. I have no idea what that button is. What is that button? Alt. Oh. Alt. Let's see if there's another Windows key. Why is there not another Windows button? Am I just blind? Weird. Let me see. Page down, end, delete, pause, that's all numpad stuff. Control, enter. Oh, wait a minute. Did I just... What does this mean? Hold on. Where's that box that I had? Okay. Nothing. Okay. Great. We'll improvise. Why doesn't it have another Windows thing? Well, I guess we'll just leave it as it is. Okay, God, these are all jumbled up. I wonder... Oh, there we are. Oh, that's definitely wrong. Okay. Then we have the insert home, insert home, page up and page down. Where's page up? Okay, that's going to be annoying. Why are they different? What is happening? Let's see. There we go. Here it is. There we go. Page up, page down, home, and delete. I need to find some like cute keycaps for like this one or something. Oh, actually, wait. Oh. Yeah, I need to find some cute keycaps for that because there's no other options for that. Dang, that sucks. Okay, let's put in the numpad. Well, I would if I could find all the numbers, that is. number, enter, plus minus wait, none of this is making sense now. So that's a screen capture button. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 4, 5, 5. Oh no. 8, 9, 7. Need a 6, 6. Is there another in button? Yeah, that's not it. Oh, here. That's not it either. This one's it. No, that's not it either. Delete. Here we go. No, I think that's it. Nah, I'm just gonna leave it. I don't think that's right though. Okay. Num slash star, and yeah, this is it so far. Let's see. What does this mean? Oh. I don't know what any of these keys means, not gonna lie. Interesting. This. Wait, that controls the lights. That controls the lights. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do now because oh wait, I'm silly. This is print screen. Actually, I don't really know if these actually do anything. I know this one's the light one. Print screen. I'm gonna guess these are scroll lock, and then pause. I wanted to make these buttons over here the noise ones. And then I don't know what this is, but we'll just put it right here. There we go. This is the keyboard, guys. Let's clean this mess up and then plug it in. I just dropped one. Oof. Okay, I'm going to dim the lights so we can really see it. Oh, it's RGB.
Power off.
Why is that power off? I don't know why my thing just powered off. Oh, this definitely is the light thing. It's RGB. I thought it was white backlit. Ooh, that's cool. I actually kind of like this though. This is actually really fun. Look at it. I wanted the light stuff, but nope. I don't know what to do now because these buttons don't mean anything. Oh no. That's not what I meant to do. I just opened a shit ton of... Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway. Oh, so that's what that does. I see. I'm going to have to turn this back on. Where's that? Where is that? Oh, oops. I have no idea what this button does. I guess nothing. Well, what do I do now? Hold on. I'm gonna use the arrow symbol because I don't know what else to do. Yeah, I was honestly hoping for the white backlit, but this is chill. They don't. I know they didn't make any of those. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, this does do. This does do. Ooh. This does knob. This does the volume. That's really awesome. I love that. I'm gonna have to look for something here, and I will update you guys whenever I get it. But until then, this is the keyboard. Uh, ta-da! Oh, ta-da! Ta-da! I like it a lot. All right, see you guys later. I'm gonna stop here. Oh no, what did I just do? There we go.